bibigay ko.
Her eyes, like the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and it's never every day. I know, when compliments her, she won't believe. It's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me to be okay, I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. The way you are. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are.
Hindi po, ayun. Gusto ko po magpasalamat sa inyo lahat sa pagpunta po sa Christmas party natin lalo-lalo na po kay Mr. Richard Yap, kay Sir Dan, kay Kuya Ivan. Dahil, ayun, pataon na tayo na makapunta po siya dito sa event natin Christmas party, na kasama natin siya sa program natin. Isa na po yun sa...
Ano ba naman?
Umiyak ko lang kami. Iiyak. Ayun. Hindi ba? Ayun. Masaya lang po kasi, magkakasama tayo ng Jen and KBU kasi kahit tapos na yung Be Careful, ayun, patuloy pa rin tayo sa pagsuporta kay Papa Jen. So, ayun lang. Happy Christmas. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much po sa bumata yan. Happy birthday, Abby! Happy birthday!
Ay, grabe.
Happy birthday!
Ay, di rin.
Ikaw na ako. Sa particular review dito naman.
Closing remarks.
Thank you lang.
Yeah, I was supposed to give the opening remarks, pero late ang tita nyo, so I'll do the closing. I'll do the closing remarks. So, it's like what Abby said, we'd like to say thank you to each one of you here. Of course, to Sir Richard. Yeah, thank you very much. To Dan and to Ivan. I'd like to say thank you for always taking good care of our dear Sir Richard. Diba? And to the KBU and region members. So what's next for all of us?
Black
We have the black screening and
December 20.
something to look forward to come next year. A new teleserye starring our dear Richard Yap. Enrollment ulit. Masters na ito. We enroll in the master's class for ano, ha? Masteral na ito, diba? Masters na. And then, hopefully may doctorate pa. But, the thing is, we assure you, sir, that we continue to support you. We'll with you all the way. We'll never get tired of being your champion, being your supporter, being your tagapagtanggol, hindi lang tagahanga. Tagapagbigay ng inspirasyon, kagaya ng inspirasyon na binibigay mo sa amin. Tagapagbigay ng, siguro, if there's one thing about Mr. Richard Yap na kaya tayo, mga tagahanga, ay patuloy na sumusuporta, yun ay magandang halimbawa na ipapakita niya sa atin. At para sa atin naman, yung magandang halimbawang yun, sana ay ipapahagi rin natin sa iba. Okay? So, let's share the good vibes. Let's share the good deeds, especially now, it's Christmas season. And more than that, keep the fire of friendship alive. Okay, so kudos to everyone in Richens and KBU. Hindi po ito natatapos, kasabay na pagtatapos ng Be Careful With My Heart. But this is a new beginning for all of us. Okay, and let's continue supporting and being the champion of Mr. Richard Yap. Thank you.
Ay, oo nga pala. Sino na pa? Sila ayun. Ayun na po. Kita Crystal na. Kita Crystal na. Sino pa na? Malapakan daw para sa mga. Wala na sa lumakan. Sino pa? Oh, sino ba yung... Sino ba yun?
O before daw po tayo mag-end, yung kanina daw po nagkantahan, dito na lang daw po sa front para po malaman natin kung sino nga yung bet ng bayan. Ay, GMA pala yung ABS pala tayo. Bet ng bayan. Sabi ko, bet? Bet talaga yung favorite na teacher. Alright, sino po yun pa? Tita Love? Tita Ami, sige na po. Sino na po yun? Para po mabigay na po natin yung special prize natin na libre daw special prize po natin na black screening ticket as well as meron daw po libre isang smack kay search. Tsaka kay kanina po, Tita Crystal, si Tita Rax, ay Ate Rax, saan po si Ate Rax? Ay, ito na po. Sino pa po? Si Ate Tita Julie? Sino pa po? Ilalaban pa natin yung mga bagets? Lychee? Kumanta ba si Lychee? Si Meg! Si Meg! Where's Meg? Where are you, Meg? Bakit kita ka, Meg?
I'm not here.
Tita Mabini. Wala lang po. Kalma lang po kayo dyan. Pwede pahiram po muna ng saglit, ha? Alright. Nandito na po tayo. Bakit mo ngayon? May narinig pa po ba kayo? Alright. So, tignan po muna natin sino po yung pinaka magandang